you've been following this series, then you already know what Rumble is, and so we are not going to waste time on that today. In this video, we are going straight into creating your Rumble account step by step. And if you haven't watched video 1, please kindly watch it because that is where we build the foundation for this series, and it will also help you to understand what the platform is all about and how much you can earn from the platform. Open your App Store if you are on iPhone or your Play Store if you are on Android. Search for Rumble, then tap Get or Install and wait for it to download. Once it's done, open it up. Before we create the account, let me quickly show you around the home screen so you are not confused when you land here. At the bottom, you will see different tabs. The Short tab is where you will find short form videos similar to YouTube Short or TikTok. And it is also where your short videos will appear once you start uploading. My Feed is your personalized content space. Every creator you follow, their videos will show up here, so it becomes your own custom stream of content. The Account tab is where you manage everything about your profile, your videos, your earnings, and your settings. That is where we are heading right now. Tap Account at the bottom of the screen, then tap Create Account. Enter your dedicated email address in the field provided. Fill in your date of birth, then tap Next. Fill in your basic information including your name, your gender, and your country of residence. Tap on the terms and conditions to read through them. It's important you understand the rules of any platform you sign up to. Once you have read through, check the box to confirm you accept. Complete the human verification step and tap Next. Now, create a strong password. The stronger your password, the safer your account and your future earning on this app, okay? Tap Next and a verification code will now be sent to your email address, the one you provided. Go to your email, copy that code, come back to the app and paste it in the field. Click Next, complete the captcha verification step one more time and tap Verify. And just like that, you are in. You will now be asked to select your areas of interest. Go ahead and choose as many categories as you like. This helps Rumble to personalize your feed and show you content that is relevant to you, okay? Tap Next. You will then be asked to follow at least one creator to get started. Choose anyone you find interesting and tap Next. If you want to see more options, tap View More to expand the list. Then follow as many as you want. Once you are done, your account is set up completely. Now, tap on Account again and let me walk you through what everything means. Watch history is exactly what it sounds like. Every video you have ever watched on Rumble is saved here, so you can easily go back to watch anything you have seen before. Watch later is saved content folder. If you watch a video and get interrupted or want to come back to it, simply save it to watch later and it will be waiting for you right there. Playlist is where all the video playlists you created on your channel will be. Once you start uploading and organizing your content into playlists, this is where your viewers and you can access them. Video is your content library. Every single video you upload to Rumble will appear here. Following show you the complete list of creators you are currently following on the platform. The notification bell lets you control whether you receive notification from the creator you follow. I recommend turning this on so you stay updated with the content in your niche. Earning is the section you have been waiting for. This is where you will see your revenue and also track your income. We will be coming back to this in the next video, so stay tuned. Tap on the settings icon, tap on Edit Profile. First, tap on your profile image and upload a clear professional photo of yourself. This is the first thing people see when they visit your channel, so make it count. Tap Save when you are done. Tap Save again, and your profile will be updated. Under Notification, turn everything on. You want to receive all activity and security alerts related to your account. If anything unusual ever happens, you want to know immediately, so turn them all on. Under Appearance, you can switch between dark and light mode, depending on what is more comfortable for your eye. Under Playback, you will find Picture-in-Picture, which is also called PIP. It allows you to minimize a video you are watching into a small floating window so you can continue browsing your phone while the video keeps playing. The autoplay automatically starts playing the next video when the current one ends. You can decide whether to keep this on or off based on your preference. Under uploads, this is a critical one. Make sure you set your upload quality to full quality. This ensures that every video you upload to Rumble retains its original resolution and does not come out looking blurry or pixel related on the platform. Do not skip this step, okay? And that's it, everything you need to know about setting up and navigating your Rumble account. In the next video, we are going to verify this account and set it up for payment, because without proper verification, Rumble will not release your earnings to you. So make sure you tap the next video in this playlist and let's verify your account.